Welcome! Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to update your address on LinkedIn. This is an updated process, ensuring your profile reflects your current location and helps you connect with the right opportunities. Let's get started. First, open your LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for the Me icon. It's typically located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. This action will take you to your profile overview, where you can access various settings and options. Next, you'll want to navigate to your account settings. To do this, find and enter the Settings menu, then tap Account Preferences. This section is your hub for controlling various aspects of your LinkedIn experience, including profile information, privacy settings, and communication preferences. In the Account Preferences section, you'll find a subsection labeled Profile Information. Within this, click on Name, Location, and Industry. Here you can modify core details about your professional identity, ensuring they are current and accurate. Now, to edit your contact information, click on the Edit icon. This action will take you to a page where you can update various contact details associated with your LinkedIn profile. This includes your name, email address, phone number, and, of course, your physical address. At the address bar, you can now add your current address. Make sure to enter all the necessary details accurately, including your street address, city, state, and zip code. Accurate location information helps potential connections, recruiters, and other professionals find you more easily. Once you've entered your address, click Save to apply the changes. Your profile will now reflect your updated address, enhancing your visibility and credibility on the platform. And that's it! You've successfully updated your address on LinkedIn. Keeping your profile up to date ensures you're discoverable and helps you make meaningful connections. Remember, a complete and current LinkedIn profile is key to making the right impressions and opening doors to new opportunities. So take a few minutes regularly to review and update your information. Good luck, and thanks for watching.